So what is the Medicare Look Back period, and is there anything you can do about it? Stick around and find out. Hi, this is Bill Eaves, Associate Broker with RE/MAX and Bensalem and probate expert. I want to give you a quick tip regarding the Medicare Look Back period or the Medicaid Look Back period. Yes, they're two different things, but for the purpose of this video, we're not going to discuss the difference between Medicare and Medicaid. We are going to talk about a look back period. Currently, the look back period is 5 years, meaning that if a person goes into a nursing home, Medicare, Medicaid looks back 5 years to their assets and uses those assets, even if they're gone now, to determine how much Medicaid will pay and how much they won't pay for nursing home care. But is there any way to avoid the 5 years look back period? Yes, there is. Now, some people are going to tell you, just put the house in a trust and that'll count. I'm not an attorney, I'm not an accountant. Please seek professional advice before you make any moves. I'm going to venture to tell you that's not always the case. But there is a way to cut that Medicare look back period to 2 years. It's called the Caregiver Child Exemption. So a person needs help, one of their children, come in, stay with them, live there, take care of them, and it creates an exemption with a few conditions and caveats. So the first caveat is it has to be a biological or adopted child of the person who owns the home. Cousins, siblings, nephews, that unfortunately doesn't count. It has to be a child. And obviously it would be an adult child. The second thing is the child caregiver has to provide a level of care that the parent would not otherwise be capable of providing for themselves. Now, this is easily proven with a doctor's note. The third stipulation would be that the child has to prove that they live there. Now, that can be done with a driver's license, and it's a 2-year period. Now, the fourth stipulation is that the house must be transferred into the caregiver child's name. Now, I know that can cause problems with other heirs and such, but that's their rule. If you want to qualify for the caregiver child exemption to the Medicare look back period, it has to go into the child's name. Now, a couple quick little warnings. Number one, always run this stuff by a tax attorney, a tax accountant, one that specializes in elder care. The two caveats are that number one, there may be capital gains when the adult child goes to later sell the house. Check with the accountant about that. It should be pretty easy to figure out if that's going to apply or not. Second thing would be, Medicare Medicaid may not pay for the room and board portion of the nursing home fee. Fortunately, that's the smallest of portions. They will, however, pay for the assisted living portion and the support needed for the person in the nursing home, which is pretty much the lion's share. If you think about a nursing home, talk to them. They have some experts in there. Talk to any expert regarding this. If you think about doing this, make sure you talk to an elder care expert about this before you make any moves. If you found this video useful, check out some of my other videos below. And as always, please like and subscribe. And there you have it. There you have it. The Caregiver Child Exemption will help with the Medicare look back period.